Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this new video. So, like it's too early morning. To be honest, it's midnight now, 12:26 a.m. Because of some work, I had to stay awake. Uh, Generally, I sleep by 10:30 p.m. max. But sometimes due to some work and all, I need to stay awake. I need to stay till late night. Anyways, so we'll solve this today's problem, and also, yeah, wish you all a very happy Republic Day. I hope you people actually understand the significance of Republic Day. I do not want to, uh, put some time and all those things towards that, because I just wanted to give that as a task to you people. Okay, so just go through what is actually today's significance and all. That is literally important. Like, people do question us, and we need to be in a situation to answer them. Why is Republic Day so important to us, right? And let me know in the comments, like, what are all the things that so that even others will be educated by that. So anyways, let us solve this today's problem of the day, fractional knapsack. And it is a problem, like medium level problem, and it's the problem of the day on Geeks for Geeks today. So what is the problem saying? Given weights and values of n items, we need to put these items in a knapsack of capacity W to get the maximum total value in the knapsack. Okay, so this might be confusing you at the very first instance, but need not worry. We'll see that in a brief way through the examples. So there is a note point given as well. Unlike 0 to 1 knapsack, you are allowed to bake the item here. So if in case you have never solved the problem 0 1 knapsack, do consider giving some time towards it. Consider giving some time solving that question. All right, so but if you are like not really interested in solving that, it's completely fine. We'll solve this in a particularly in a new dimension. Okay, so these are the examples given, and this is the expected time complexity n log n and auxiliary spaces often, and we'll be solving that in that using this particular constraint itself. So okay, let us go through the solution now. So this is the example given. What is the example given? N equal to 3. That means there are 3 values and 3 weights. Okay, each value is associated with a particular weight. So in this particular case, if you see, so 60 is associated with 10, 100 is associated with 20, 120 is associated with 30. Okay, so 3 values and 3 weights, and W equal to 50. So your target is to collect total weight of 50. Okay, total weight of 50. So what is the explanation saying? Take the item with value 60 and weight 10. Okay, value 100 and weight 20, and split the third item with value 120 and weight 30 to fit it into weight 20. Because if you are actually considering this, and this total weight that you have considered so far would be 30, and how much is still left to consider? 20. So for that reason, in this 30 itself, you can take 20 part. So if you take 20 part, how much value would you get? So that is per per weight. So per unit weight, you calculate the weight, that is 120 by 30. So how much do you get from this? 4, and that you multiply by 20, so you get 80. Okay, so 60 plus 100 plus 80. So this is what you are going to get at the total, like as the total at the end of the day, and this is basically nothing but 240, right? So this is the answer. I hope you people have understood. So it's like you're trying to maximize the value, total value possible for the given W, given weight, right? Given target weight. So how are you going to solve this? So very easy, very straightforward, to be honest. So the idea came to me like from my daily life example only. Like I eat bread and peanut butter, with peanut butter as my breakfast. So recently I visited a shop to actually to buy peanut butter. I've seen several companies peanut butters there. I thought of getting the best one. So what I did was, like, every pack has this thing, like from this particular peanut butter box. Okay, from this particular peanut butter box, the net weight is 1 kg, and they are saying that from this you would get 200 grams of peanut butter, something like that is there. I do not remember the values actually. And some other box, some other same quantity, 1 kg, some other companies, it is like 250 or something, around 250 grams of protein or something. So something, it is like this, like for 1 kg itself, all are like 1 kg bottles only. For 1 kg bottle of peanut butter from particular X company, they are offering 200 grams of protein. And Y company, 1 kg box only, 1 kg bottle only, from that you'll be getting 250 grams of protein. So what would you definitely want to choose? You would choose 250 grams protein box only itself, isn't it? Because from the same 1 kg, okay, same 1 kg, I'm going to get 250 grams of protein instead of 200 grams of protein. So I would choose definitely this one, right? So what am I doing is I'm going to calculate per kg or per unit output, okay, per unit value. In this case, it is value, okay, per unit value, and take the one that is having the best, okay. So let us assume there are n items here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this n items, and this is like x units per x value per weight, and this is y value per weight. So and this is z value per weight, per weight in the sense per unit weight, okay. So like this, then you will be choosing the maximum one, isn't it? You'll be choosing the maximum one. That is a general tendency, right? It is like being greedy. You need to be greedy here because you wanted to maximize the stuff. So this is what you'll be doing it. So you'll be sorting these values, okay, sorting these values according to according to per unit value, okay, per unit value. So you'll be taking, you can put it like the in a decreasing order, like here comes the maximum, and at the last you'll be having the minimum. So you'll be taking these positions, or taking this, right? You'll be taking this until and unless you're done with the total w, okay, total, you have got the total weight. So you'll be taking it. That is the same thing that I put in the code, okay. I hope you people have understood. So it's just the daily life example that I've taken. So before, just 3 days back, I visited the shop, so I've checked in the same way. So similar thing, the problem is also asking. So that is the thing that I've done. So what I've done is there are n items available for me. So what is the best way to compare and take the item? I'll be seeing per unit weight how much output am I getting. In this case, per unit weight how much value am I getting. So if it, the more value it is, the it more priority I'll be giving to it. So I'll be considering it first. So in that decreasing order, I'll sort it and I'll keep taking it. When till what value I'll be taking it? In the shop, I'll be taking it till my purse gets empty, isn't it? So in this case, it is like weight gets empty. So if your requiring weight is 50, so until and unless you get your total weight, you can keep taking, okay, you can keep taking. So if in like this, for example, this example only itself you take. So for the first item, what is the per kg value? 60 by 10 equal to 6. What's for the second item? 100 by 20 equal to 5. What is for the third item? 120 by 30, that is equal to 4. So if you actually decrease, sort these in the decreasing order, you will be taking this only first, because per unit weight you are getting more value, 6. So once you have taken, how much are you going to take? It is available for 10 units, 10 kgs, right? Let us assume it is kgs. It's available for 10 kgs, and per kg you are getting 6 value. So you take the total 10 kg because your target is 50 and you have got 10 only. So take 10, total 10, because you will be out getting a lot of output, right? So 6 into 10. So 6 into 10, that is equal to 60. And then now come to this. 20 kgs is there, and per kg you would be getting 5. So 5 into 20, take it off, because now after taking 10 kgs of 60 this thing, the left out weight is 40. So in that 40, your 20 is now available. So 20 is still less than 40, right? So you can even take this 20 as well. So 100 into this is becomes 160. This total right now it's 160. So now after taking 20, how much it is left? This the left is 20. Now coming to here, you have 30. So but your target is only 20. 20 is only there. Like similar case, if you try to compare it with my case, 20 rupees only I have, but the product value is 30 rupees. So what I'll be doing, I'll be taking 20 rupees worth of product. So minimum of 30 and 20, what is it? 20. So that I'll multiply with 4. So 4 into 20 equal to 80. So what is 100 plus 60 plus 80? 240. Okay, that is the final answer, right? I hope you people have understood. The same thing, literally the same thing I put in the code, just the translation, Google translator from English to coding, okay, code C++, okay, English to C++ update. So let us go through the code now for your reference. So this is the custom bool comparator that I've taken. So because we have the struct item into value into weight, so we'll be sorting it in the decreasing order of value per weight, right? So that is the reason this is the custom comparator, custom sort okay, custom sort. And once I've sorted it here, for int I equal to 0, I less than and w not equal to 0, I plus plus, profit plus equal to, like my profit plus equal to array I dot value into 1 dot 0. So this is to make sure we are getting the exact decimal value, into minimum of array I dot weight comma w. So this is what I'm saying. So either w will be the minimum or the array weight, that particular weight is minimum. So take the minimum of both of them, okay. So that divided by array of the I dot weight, okay. So this gives the per unit per unit weight value, and that you will be multiplying it with 1, the value. So value in the sense, per unit value how much you are getting, that you'll be having here, so that you'll be multiplying it with the value. Sorry, this array of that value is the value that you have, and this is the quantity. Okay, quantity. So number of things are there. I hope you people are getting it, so without any confusion. So and then just subtract it. So how much you're taking, either if you're taking array dot weight or w, so either of them will be, you'll be taking, right, depending upon the scenario. Like in this case 68 comma 10, 60 10, you'll be taking 10, 120 you'll be 20 taking 20, but in case of 120 30, you'll be taking only 20. So because the remaining left is 20 only, but 120 is 30, so you'll be only taking 20. So minimum of array of dot weight comma w. So this gives the minimum value, and you'll be subtracting it. Finally, return the profit. I hope you people have understood this. So there is literally no space for doubts. I've explained it in a like grassroots level. Okay, typical English words. That's it, guys. Like for your reference, the codes in C++, Java, Python are there in the description. Please go through them. And like you people might have I've seen many communications issue from my side in this video, because I'm feeling literally very sleepy, but I do not want to disappoint you people without uploading the videos. So that is only motivating me. And I'm literally sleeping. My eyes are almost in a sleepy mode totally. But just for you people, I'm uploading this video so that I do not lose this consistency and help you people in all the ways possible, right? So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and also do consider joining the WhatsApp community channel that's there in the description. I'm posting off-campus opportunities there. It will really be helpful to you people, right? So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.